gonna drill some cavities. Some cavities. There. Welcome to LCKC Toys. Today we are going to do this Dr. Drill and Fill.
Dr. Drill and Fill. And we have the baby today in the background. So if you hear the baby, this is why.
Yes, so let's open it.
Right, so let's see what we've got.
Here's the toothbrush and the head.
Ooh.
And the toothbrush is my favourite colour, purple.
Here's the teeth.
Oh no, it doesn't have any teeth. Oh, and here's the mould for the teeth. Oh, there's the
Oh, I bet we need batteries for this drill.
Let's see. Yeah, we do need batteries.
Oh, look at that. So Elsie, you just, oh look, it's a mirror.
And here's the bracey thingy.
That is good. Right, Elsie, you just open those,
Okay.
and then I will have a look at the instructions, and I will just go and get some batteries for the drill.
So guys, if you ever have this, always first get this because it's really hard to open. And here is the white kind of Play-Doh for the teeth maybe. And here's another kind of white Play-Doh, and another kind of white Play-Doh, and one green and orange, pink. So let's get his head out of his box. Come on, it's the head come out of this box. And there's open. Okay, there's the toothbrush. And then here's the patient. Then we just put them together. And then he'll look like a real patient.
Put some batteries in and they take 2 AA. Oh, look. Whoa.
Mom, and it only comes with 3 cans of white and 1 green and 1 pink.
Okay, so what do you want to do first?
Make his teeth. Because, of course, we have to make teeth.
Okay.
So let's go and make some teeth.
Let's make some teeth. This is the teeth mould. This is really quite cute. Look, mould.
Wow, it's very soft.
Is it? What's this one do?
It makes braces.
Oh, does it? Oh yeah, cool.
Those
Winch.
are weird.
Them in there.
Oh, look at those 2 teeth.
And press it down. Really hard.
There we go.
Take the excess away. And there we go.
We're supposed to pick them up with the tweezers.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, they don't work.
Let's have a look. Let me have a go. There we go.
Okay, now we only have a lot more teeth.
You want me to make all the teeth really quickly?
Yes, please. Here's more Play-Doh.
Okay.
Right now, I'm going to make sure he brushes his teeth before he goes to the dentist. I'm going to make sure he brushes his teeth before he goes to the dentist.
That's a good idea, Elsie. Everybody has to brush their teeth before going to the dentist.
And here's the toothbrush with its toothpaste in.
Whoa! Did you put that toothpaste in there?
Yeah.
That is really
Let
good.
me brush his teeth before he goes to the dentist. Some are falling out, so I just have to brush him a little bit. Brush him a little bit. Just brush him. There we go. I'm gonna drill some cavities. Some cavities. There. Now that's one done. Let's